All right, today is day 2 of Winter Wonderland. We are working on the letter I for icicle. Why not W for winter? Well, because we use W for weather.
That's right.
So we're gonna do I for icicle so that we can get in all of your letters. If you take a look, I is one of those letters. The capital and the lowercase, they look totally different. Totally different. If you look at our capital I, it is a straight line, but it has caps on the top and the bottom. And if you look at the lowercase, it's only halfway, and then you got a nice little dot. All right? Just to give it a little bit of reference, if you look at that, what does it look like?
What does that look like?
Does it look like a T?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah,
because
okay,
it's the straight line down with a cross at the top. With your I, you're going to have a cross at the top and the bottom. And the bottom, okay? So, straight line, 2 caps is a letter I, capital I. Lowercase, straight line down, halfway, boom. Okay? All right, so stretch out those fingers, get them ready. Let's try to trace it real quick. Start at the top, straight line down. We're going to put our cap at the top. We're going to put our cap at the bottom. All right, one more time, straight line down, cap it at the top, cap it at the bottom. And then let's try our lowercase, halfway, straight line down. And then we get to go boink, put a little dot on there. Sometimes you are going to see the I, a capital I, without these caps. Okay? Not to confuse you, but sometimes you will see it like that. It also looks like what letter?
A lowercase L.
A lowercase L. All right. But for today, let's try it with the caps. Grab your marker. We're going to start at the top. We're going to draw our line straight down. And then we're going to give it a cap and a cap. All right. That's taking up your whole line. And then for your lowercase, halfway down, you're going to start and draw it all the way down. And then give it a little dot. Easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy.
All right. If you look at the bottom, we have I is for icicle. Do you see any more I's, Miss Rachel?
I do. I'm going to zoom in a little closer so you can see them too. There's an I in is.
Right.
There's another I in icicle. And then we're going to go all the way to the top. And there's an I in wiggle. It's the second letter.
Yep. There you go. There you go. What is in this top corner?
That's some icicles.
That is some icicles. Are you ready for your guessing game, Miss Rachel?
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
All right. I'm going to start off easy. Well, maybe. Maybe easy.
That's a nice touch.
Thanks.
Those are some ice cubes in a drink.
Yep. Ice cubes. It's gonna look like something else. Hold on. Maybe?
Yep.
Do you know what that is?
That is an ice cream cone.
An ice cream cone. I'm thinking. Let's see. You already know, right?
I do, but I'm going to let you go and finish this drawing because it's just so cool. That is an igloo.
That is an igloo. All right, one more that I can think of right off the bat.
Okay.
Okay. It's going to be hard for me to draw because, well, I'm not the best artist.
You do a pretty good job, Miss Chrissy. I think that's an iguana.
It is an iguana.
Very good.
All right. All right. You ready for some fun?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Erase your whole board. There's a reason I'm gonna have you erase it. Parents, it's up to you if you wanna go ahead and fast forward and flip on over to the back, or if you want to make some snow with me. Make sure you get something and lay it down on your table before you do this. Possibly a cookie sheet. Cookie sheet would be great. Just lay the letter into the cookie sheet. If you look in your, in your box, you should have a bag, baking soda, and you should have some conditioner. You are gonna open this. You're gonna pour it in. Okay, pour it in. You're gonna seal it shut. And then you're gonna work it and 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 work it. Guess what it's gonna look like?
Got some white, fluffy snow. Look at that.
Snow. It is so cool. It's kind of like fluffy, but when you squeeze it, it can actually form. Okay. If it gets dry, you can always add a little more conditioner. That's all it is hair conditioner. All right. So I want the kids to take and play with the snow, feel it, and then try to make the letter I, both the capital and the lowercase. Feels so cool to play with. I love it. And it's so easy, parents, seriously. All it is baking soda and conditioner. You could also make it with shaving cream. And I like to do it in the summer as well. And using the shaving cream, it actually gives it, it kind of feels cool to the touch.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's like crazy how it happens, but it's true. It actually kind of feels cold.
If this gets on your carpet, it's not going to stain your carpet.
Yeah, you can just
it vacuums right up.
Yep.
I could just sit here and play with this all day.
Yeah, we make
It
a little
smells great.
dot for the eye. You can make a little snowball.
Yeah.
There you go. So cool.
Mine has been out all day using it with the preschoolers, so it's probably not going to stick quite as well.
There we go. That works though.
But like I said, if it gets like that and you want it to stick a little bit more together, just put a very, 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 very tiny bit of conditioner in with it. All right, there's my snowball. Let's see if I can make a snow human.
Ooh, let's see.
And if you look at the top, we have some winter mittens, and there's some numbers on them. All right, your job is super easy. You're going to trace the number, and then on this side, you're gonna draw either a dot, or you can try to draw a snowflake. There's not a lot of room. I'm just gonna use a dot. How many this is. So I made the 1, I traced it, and I put my little dot. If you already know that that is 1 and you wanna try writing a number 1 by yourself, go for it. All right, next one, we have 2. So we can put 2 little dots, or try to draw your 2. All right, next, what comes after 2?
3.
1, 2, 3. Woo, Miss Chrissy did it right this time.
That's right.
All right, 1, 2, 3, what's coming next?
4.
4. All right, we have this that looks like this. Is there another way to make a 4, Miss Rachel?
Yes, there certainly is.
All right, here's the other way. Remember, either way, just like our eye.
Yep.
All right, and then we're gonna put our dots, 2, 3, 4. Well, you can't really see that one. And then you can practice writing your 4, and then you can try to write it the other way. All right. What's after 4?
5.
Trace it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see if I can write this.
Excellent.
Okay. If you're not ready to write the numbers, just work on the dots. And then the last one we have, boom, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna try to make it. All right. A little alternation to this. If you have your dice, which is actually in our Icicle game, you can actually pull that out and work with your die on this board. You can roll the die, see how many are on it, and then find the number and put it on. Okay? What do you mean, Miss Christy? I don't understand. Well, let me grab the die and I will show you one time. Just another way to kind of up this board. Make it into another activity. We try to make them universal. All right. The other thing you can do is roll the die, count the die, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then figure out where 4 is. And then do the same thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, just another way to do it. Up to you. All right, tic-tac-toe. No. We have tic-tac-snow. We got some snowflakes for you. Miss Rachel, you gonna play with me?
Sure, I'd love to.
Okay, what color would you like to be?
I'll be the white snowflakes.
You'll be white. Okay. All right, I'll let you go first since you are
so
filming.
Instead of X's and O's, we have blue snowflakes and white snowflakes. So we'll just take turns with our colors.
I'm really good at this, by the way.
Oh, are you? We'll see about that. Let's start here.
Oh, apparently you're really good at it too. All right.
All right.
I think Miss Rachel's gonna get me.
I don't know. We'll see.
You're really good at this too, huh?
Shorts up.
Let's see. Where am I gonna go?
Gotta think.
I am gonna go.
Oh no, I gotta.
Right there.
There's one more spot.
One more spot.
Can I get 3 in a row doing that? Let's look ahead and see. Okay, that's blocked by all the blues. Can't do that one. This one's blocked by all the blues. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Good job, Miss Rachel.
Yes, thank you. Good game.
All right. When you're done, you can play again and again and again and again and again with someone else. I really thought I was going to get you on that one. All right. Last one. We have our little snowman, snow woman, snow person, snow human, whatever you would like to call this little snow thing.
That's right.
Know. Whatever you want to call it. All right. We're just going to trace. We're just working on our tracing skills. So Miss Chloe has put all the lines on. So you have to finish it. All right, if you go off the line, are we gonna freak out? We are not.
Just erase and try again.
We are not. Eventually, we will be able to do this and trace them all the way around, staying on the lines. He's so cute. All right.